Hello guys, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Chat GPT in Shopify. Chat GPT can automate tasks such as customer support, product descriptions, search engine optimization, and more. I'm gonna give you some highly rated Shopify apps with Chat GPT integrations. 1. For customer support, you can use Kami Chat, ChatGPT Chat. This bot or app on Shopify can recommend products based on customer purchase preferences and assists shoppers in completing their buying journeys. Kami Chat offers customer support, reports, and analytics to evaluate your team. Its pricing starts at $9 per month with the free limited version. 2. Product descriptions. They can be done well at painstaking and time-consuming. ChatGPT and other AI content generators can expedite the process. The following app make generating product description easy and publish them to your Shopify store, which is Yodel's ChatGPT Product Description AI, which is a copywriting assistant for product descriptions and social media posts promoting those items. A batch features is available. Although customer reviews of it are critical, pricing starts at $29.99 per month with, of course, a free option. But if you prefer a free app on Shopify, you can use GoWise AI Product Description. It generates several keyword-focused search engine optimized descriptions. It supports 8 languages and allows users to set their own style. The pricing is totally free, as I said. 3. For social engineering optimization, you can use Verbi AI. It generates optimized product descriptions and meta tags in bulk. It also supports multiple languages. Pricing starts at $9.99 monthly with the free option to generate 2,000 words monthly. Or you can use SEO Cart, ChatGPT SEO Optimizer. It offers bulk image and title tag optimization. Pricing starts at $10 per month with the free generous options. To do so, just head to Shopify on the main page and select apps. Look for those apps on the App Store of Shopify, install them, and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.